Today we're going to be starting a garden from scratch right in the grass. First thing is you dig a small hole just about like this right here and put that piece of sod upside down on top of the cardboard. Put down cardboard with wood chips. And then just dig right there at the edge of it. And go to your hole that you just dug and just put ordinary potting soil in it. And just fill in that hole with potting soil and smooth it out. And sprinkle your seeds in there. Then put just enough potting soil over them to cover the seeds, just so you can't see the seeds, and crumble all the lumps out so there's no lumps in there. And then just label it so you know what you planted there, and put sheets of cardboard all around it, and then cover it with wood chips. I did 3 packages of seed, and so you just dig like one little hole for each package, and then cover all the pieces of cardboard with wood chips. These are arborist wood chips that I get from the city for free, and if you have to buy chips, make sure they're biodegradable. I think some kinds like cedar, they'll just sit there forever, but you need some, luckily the cheapest ones are usually the ones that degrade into the soil the best. I think pine maybe or something. Anyway, I don't ever buy wood chips. And just cover all of the cardboard and then wet it down. And that's all there is to it. Now just a quick review over again. Just put down cardboard and wood chips and dig right there, a little small hole right there at the edge, and put that sod upside down on top of the wood chips, and then fill that hole with potting soil, and then sprinkle your seeds on top of it, and then put potting soil on top of the seeds just so you can't see them. And then finish covering the pieces of cardboard with the wood chips, and smooth them out so as much of the cardboard is covered as you can, and then wet it down, and you're all done. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.